Good everyone, I just wanted to provide an update on a video that I did previously with regards to what I thought was a defect in the FX Plenum impact on the M3. Here's the link here for if you haven't seen it. What I've done is I've reached out to my contact in New Zealand, who's then reached out to FX. FX have now come back to us and said the hole should be there. I believe that some of the impacts have the hole, some of them don't have the hole. Whether that's because they put like a stopper material in there, like a wax substitute or something along them lines, so that you can't see it, but it's always there, or whether it's just the fact that some have them and some don't. Some of my colleagues have said that they don't have a hole in theirs. In any case, I've never noticed the hole in there before. So now I've taken the plenum apart. You can see why the hole is there, what it does, and the actual part that's failed that will have air leaking out of that particular hole. Mine's now fixed, it's now holding pressure, so I'm happy about that. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here we have it from the previous video where it initially formed, and as you can see by the discoloration, that's why I thought it was a defect. And here's a closer image of it, and it's actually a machined hole, as can be seen. This is a more generic overall view of the plenum itself when it's been taken apart. You're going to need to remove that screw piece to gain access to the part that's failed. So I'll try and explain it a bit better here. So as you can see, you've got the O-ring there, which is 25 by 2.5 mil. When the air passes that O-ring, it goes into that channel, which is where the hole matches up with that channel, and then it leaks through that hole. Here's the schematic diagram showing the E3 O-ring. Also why it threw me, because there's no hole in the actual application of the plenum on this drawing. And here's the outer part of the plenum showing the hole from the inside. So there we go everyone. So that hole is there by design. It may be blocked, you may not see it. Some plenums may have it, some may not. Whether it's been painted over, bottom line is you will have that hole there. It's there for a purpose. If you have air leaking from your plenum from that hole, now you know what is the cause of it and what to replace to fix the issue. So thanks everyone. If you like our video, please like and subscribe and click that notification bell if you want to get notifications of when we upload new videos. Come and join our community on Facebook on King Great Airguns. Thanks very much, everyone. You take care. Ciao.